Hello, everyone. Again, this is Wayne Weltsine here with Fleet, and this is actually an interesting one here. On a common one we run into is that we have ones that do not have the invoice number attached to it. So I'll show a great example here. You'll run into this once in a while that we're missing the invoice number in this particular one. So I found that the easiest way to get this one to work is got unfortunately kind of go the long way here and look up the invoice or number by VIN number. So I copied and pasted the VIN number. As you see, this vehicle has been in multiple times. We have to find the one for the date of. Let's figure this one out here. This one was in on September 24th, so we got to find this September 24th. Okay, so that's the invoice number here is 129622. So let's look this one up. So we're going to have to view this one. 8998. We have this one is actually an excellent example because we actually have to add extra 559 into the equation. So we did a tire rotation, some oil, tire rotations on there, oil, but we forgot to add the extra quart into the, or actually 0.7 quarts into the issue here. So we got to actually expand services, which is going to be something that when we did a max life oil change. So we got to add a extra quart of blend. And I found that it's just easier to just do the dollar amount of $5.59. I'm going to add the item. And it's asking for some notes. So we want to add that into here. So hopefully we get this added. So now it's going to submit for authorization. So we have a 9557 there, 9557 here, and we'll have to add the 389. Sometimes it takes a while for it to be submitted. Oh, this was already approved. So we're going to view it. Let's complete the work. This is a great example here. It tells us when did we collect the vehicle. It was on 10/30, so we want to add this into and then the timestamp is going to be way back in September of 24th. And remember, we're going to add the tax in, so 389. And then we also got to add the invoice. So this one had all the issues that sometimes we run into. So we were able to complete the timestamp, get the tax in there. Since the invoice wasn't there, we had to look it up by VIN number and find the date. That way we can input the invoice number in here. We save it. This one gave me an error collection. So and this one is complete. We have the 9946, 9946, everything matches. So we are good to go on to our next one.